Fast, factual, and fresh. Your medical news in a minute starts now.
ChatGPT fixed a 5-year-old medical issue. LinkedIn co-founder Reid Hoffman shares viral Reddit post that most doctors caution against. LinkedIn co-founder Reid Hoffman recently spotlighted a viral Reddit post where a user credited ChatGPT with solving a lingering medical issue in under a minute, after 5 years of fruitless effort. The Reddit user described a persistent jaw-clicking problem, likely stemming from a boxing injury, that went unresolved despite consultations with an ENT specialist, 2 MRIs, and a referral to a maxillofacial expert. Frustrated and out of options, the user turned to ChatGPT on a whim. 3-day UG Medical Research Conference to begin from 22nd April. Over 600 undergraduate medical students from 42 medical colleges across India have registered for the third edition of the conference. The third edition of EREVNA 2025, the National Undergraduate Medical Research Conference, will be held at Dr. TMA Pai International Convention Centre in Mangaluru for 3 days from 22nd April. Organized by the Student Research Forum of Kasturba Medical College, KMC, Mangaluru, under the aegis of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, MAHE, the conference will be inaugurated at 3 p.m. on Tuesday. Germany and Europe lead digital innovation and AI with collaborative health data use at continental level. Collaborative use of population-level health data and artificial intelligence is essential for achieving precision health through a learning health system. To groundbreaking initiatives, the European Health Data Space, EHDS, covering 449 million EU citizens, and Germany's forthcoming Health Data Lab, providing access to data from 75 million insured individuals, 90% of the country's population, offer unprecedented opportunities to advance digital health innovation and research with global impact. Telangana reports record dengue and chikungunya cases in 2024 amid seasonal disease surge. In 2024, Telangana saw an unheard-of increase in seasonal illnesses, making it the worst year for outbreaks in the state's recent history. The state recorded a record 13,592 suspected cases of chikungunya and 10,077 confirmed cases of dengue, which are unprecedented numbers, according to data from the Director General of Health Services, DGHS, Ministry of Health, Medical, and Family Welfare. Stay sharp, stay updated, follow for your daily dose.